Hello guys, this is Hiccup 45 and here I come with a new cheap pistol or soft BB gun. Look at this cheapest BB gun I found on a dollar store. Let's show you its features. This is a very cheap gun, but it's powerfully built, and there is a cheap Picatinny rail, nice trigger. This is just ornamental, and here is the BB feeder. BBs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is it, and the reload system. This is the reloading magazine, and today this is our target. Now let's fire some BBs. Okay, try to aim. And fire. Oh, nice shot. Reload. Reload. Bullseye. So this is it for today. Very cheap and easy airsoft gun. Yeah.